Question number 1. The Jallianwala Bagh incident took place in which year? Option A 1919, B 1922, C 1917, D 1929. Answer is option A 1919. Question number 2. Which act introduced the system of dual governance in the provinces? Option A Indian Councils Act 1909, B Government of India Act 1919, C Government of India Act 1935, D Indian Independence Act 1947. Answer is option B Government of India Act 1919. Question number 3. Who led the salt satyagraha from Ahmedabad to Dandi? Option A Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, C Raja Gopalachari, D Mahatma Gandhi. Answer is option D Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 4. Subhash Chandra Bose founded the Indian National Army in association with which country? Option A Germany, B Italy, C Japan, D Russia. Answer is option C Japan. Question number 5. Who was the Viceroy of India during the partition of Bengal in 1905? Option A Lord Curzon, B Lord Ripon, C Lord Minto, D Lord Harding. Answer is option A Lord Curzon. Question number 6. The Pune Pact was signed between Gandhiji and whom? Option A Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, B Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, C Subhash Chandra Bose, D Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Answer is option B Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 7. Which revolutionary threw a bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly in 1929? Option A Rajguru, B Sukhdev, C Bhagat Singh, D Chandrasekhar Azad. Answer is option C Bhagat Singh. Question number 8. When did India gain independence from British rule? Option A 15th of August 1945, B 26th of January 1947, C 15th of August 1947, D 2nd of October 1947. Answer is option C 15th of August 1947. Question number 9. Who was the Prime Minister of Independent India? Option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, C Raja Gopalachari, D Sardar Patel. Answer is option B Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 10. The Rowlatt Act was passed in which year? Option A 1919, B 1917, C 1929, D 1921. Answer is option A 1919. Question number 11. Who among the following was known as the Iron Man of India? Option A Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, B Lal Bahadur Shastri, C Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer is option D Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 12. Which leader was associated with the Azad Hind Fauj? Option A Subhash Chandra Bose, B Dadabhai Naoroji, C Mahatma Gandhi, D Lala Lajpat Rai. Answer is option A Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 13. The Cabinet Mission Plan came to India in which year? Option A 1942, B 1945, C 1946, D 1947. Answer is option C 1946. Question number 14. Which session of the Indian National Congress adopted the Purn Swaraj Resolution? Option A Calcutta Session 1928, B Lahore Session 1929, C Karachi Session 1931, D Bombay Session 1932. Answer is option B Lahore Session 1929. Question number 15. The slogan "Do or Die" was given during which movement? Option A Non-Cooperation Movement, B Civil Disobedience Movement, C Swadeshi Movement, D Quit India Movement. Answer is option D Quit India Movement. Question number 16. When was the Constitution of India adopted? Option A 26th of November 1949, B 26th of January 1948, C 15th of August 1947, D 26th of January 1950. Answer is option A 26th of November 1949. Question number 17. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Option A Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, B Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, C Dr. Rajendra Prasad, D Sardar Patel. Answer is option B Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 18. On what date did India become a republic? Option A 15th of August 1947, B 26th of November 1949, C 26th of January 1950, D. 1st of January 1950. Answer is option C. 26th of January 1950. Question number 19. The first general elections in India were held in which year? Option A 1951-52, B 1947, C 1950, D 1954. Answer is option A 1951-52. Question number 20. Who was the first president of independent India? Option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B C Rajagopalachari, C S Radhakrishnan, D Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Answer is option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 21. In which year was the Green Revolution launched in India? Option A 1955, B 1960, C 1965, D 1970. Answer is option C 1965. Question number 22. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Option A Sarojini Naidu, B Indira Gandhi, C Pratibha Patil, D Sonia Gandhi. Answer is option B Indira Gandhi. Question number 23. When was Bangladesh created with the help of India? Option A 1965, B 1975, C 1984, D 1971. Answer is option D 1971. Question number 24. Which Prime Minister gave the slogan Garibi Hatao? Option A Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, B Morarji Desai, C Indira Gandhi, D Lal Bahadur Shastri. Answer is option C Indira Gandhi. Question number 25. Who invaded India in 326 BC? Option A Alexander the Great, B Babur, C Chandragupta Maurya, D Ashoka the Great. Answer is option A Alexander the Great.